Molecular iodine is a simple diatomic halogen that exists at room temperature as a solid in equilibrium with its vapor. When excited by a 532 nanometer laser, the molecule relaxes by fluorescence into the various vibrational states in the ground electronic state. By measuring this fluorescence, you can calculate the Morse potential energy function of the iodine molecule. In this experiment, you will observe the fluorescence of iodine vapor molecules upon irradiation with the green line of a diode laser, assign the peaks you observe in the fluorescence spectrum, and use them to construct a Morse potential energy function. The equipment for this experiment consists of a 532 nanometer diode laser, fiber optics to transmit the laser light from the laser to a glass apparatus containing iodine crystals and iodine vapor, a fiber optic cable to transmit light to an ocean optic spectrometer, and a computer. To begin, turn the key on the back of the laser to power it on. It will need to warm up for several minutes. Once it's warmed up, press the black button on the front of the laser to turn on the output. As a note for safety, this is a Class 3B laser with an output power of 200 milliwatts. This can cause burns to the retina, so take extra care to avoid eye exposure. There is a pair of laser safety glasses in a drawer under the apparatus. With the laser on, you should be able to see some of the yellowish fluorescence. It may be faint and flickering at first, but the intensity can be improved by adjusting the position of the glass apparatus. Be very careful when doing this. Ask your TA for help to avoid eye exposure to the laser. When properly aligned, you should see an intense yellow beam of fluorescence from the iodine vapor. Using the spectrometer software, adjust the acquisition settings to resolve the fluorescence peaks. Here is an example of what your data will look like. You want to resolve as many of the fluorescence peaks as possible to construct a good Morse potential energy function. As always, be sure to save your data and export it using a flash drive.